So blended in his background in film and technology and passion, Matt actually simplifies digital spaces while helping people build with purpose. And when he's not designing and teaching, he enjoys traveling with his family, playing soccer, and creating stories that connect. So today what we're going to be focusing on is really how do you build a landing page that connects with your audience, connects with your next potential members, and how do you make sure that when they land on that page, they instantly see themselves represented in there?
It's in the chat,
If
guys.
you're thinking, hey, Matt, that's cool and all, but I would just prefer that you just do it for me, we've got you covered. With our Heartbeat Design Day, my partner and I will build you a fully custom, responsive website for your community business all in one day. I'm a recognized top website designer, and we've refined this process after working with over 150 businesses. We don't use templates. We don't use any AI web creators, so it's all custom built by us for you. We'll provide you with personalized guidance on exactly what to include on your website, and then we'll take care of the rest. So as a thank you for joining me here in my live tutorial, we're including the Heartbeat Connector add-on entirely for free, so we can seamlessly connect your Heartbeat community to your website. Plus, you'll get our support after launch and access to our website training library to help you get the most out of your new site.
Like if this is something that you've been thinking about for a while, you want to build like a really great business and you're, working towards how do we get more folks in the door? How do we better communicate the value that we're creating to folks that are, checking out the website, that are maybe window shopping a little bit? Matt is in like the top of the top in terms of being able to help you build something that's really going to connect. And I think there's a lot of folks that, you can go in, you can, figure out the landing page copy, you can figure out the wording, and you can totally do it yourself. But you also have the opportunity to work with just an absolute expert like Matt to make sure that you knock it out of the park on your first try. And so if this is something that you've been thinking about a little bit, if you do have the budget and it makes sense that, hey, we want to make sure that we're really giving this, putting our best foot forward as we launch this community, Matt is like 1,000,000% the best person to go to.